Learn English. Welcome to English 8K Vocabulary. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Monday, February 10th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1 is something in the kitchen for cooking. And number 2 is to take a picture of something or somebody. Please listen and write this in your notebook. The water is on the stove. The water is on the stove. Stove. It is a hot thing that we use for cooking. Now we can make a flashcard for stove. Please write stove up here in the top left corner. S-T-O-V-E. Down here in the bottom left corner, K-I-T 1. This means kitchen, level 1. And over here in the bottom right corner, the number 46 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like O. Stove. What about you? Do you use a stove sometimes? What do you make? Let me know in the comments. Now word number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. I will take a picture of you. I will take a picture of you. Take a picture of. You will use a device to create an image. Now we can make a flashcard for to take a picture of. Please write the basic form up here in the top left corner. To take a picture of. SS means somebody or something. Down here, the code, VID 1. This means verb, idiom, level 1. Over here, the number 67 out of 76. Now I will show you the IPA for picture. Please write it up here in the top right corner. Can you do it? Very good. Pick. Chur. Picture. Game over. You did very well today. Bob is cooking fish on the stove. Very good. In the kitchen. Please repeat. I take a picture every day. Change it to yesterday. I took a picture. Very good. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1 is a thing that looks like a J. People use it for fishing. and to hang their coat. Number 2 is part of a house. And number 3 is for the weather when water falls from the sky. The missing letters are O, O, T, A. My name is Vinny from Canada. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. We have 25 classes every month. Please write your language on the other side of the card. You can join our program anytime.